Hello everyone, we are solving problems on the basic concept. In that, next question is a practical voltage source of 5 volts whose internal impedance of 2 ohms is connected to a non-linear element. Its voltage and current relationship is given by VNL is equal to INL square. Find the power dissipated across the non-linear element. In the question, what is given? A practical voltage source. Practical voltage source means the voltage source in series with having some internal resistance, that is internal impedance. Here impedance is given, so the impedance is given as 2 ohms and the voltage source value is 5 volts and it is connected across non-linear element whose voltage current relationship is given VNL is equal to INL square. This is circuit. Now, so current flowing through this circuit is, let it be I. I means same current is flowing through the all elements because all elements are connected in series. So it is INL. So same current is flowing through all the elements including non-linear element. So this is INL. Now by KVL 5 is equal to what you are getting. So where the current is entered passive element, that is positive and this is negative. Here positive and this is negative. So here current is leaving the positive. So 5 is equal to, here current is entering at positive 2NL plus here voltage is VNL. From this expression, what is VNL? INL square. So you will get this is INL square plus this is INL. 2 INL minus 5 is equal to 0. If you solve this equation, you will get INL is equal to, one current is 1.4498 amps and another current is INL is equal to minus 3.449 amperes. So we are excluding or we neglect negative currents. Now, so what is the power dissipated across non-linear resistance? P is equal to VI. So VI PNL, that is P non-linear element is equal to V non-linear into I non-linear. So from this, what is V non-linear? You got, that is, it is given as INL square. So if you substitute INL square here, you will get INL cube. So what is PNL? PNL is equal to 1.4498 whole cube. If you solve this, you will get power is 3.0473 watts. Next question is, two capacitors 20 farad and 40 farad are connected in series to a 90 voltage source and charged fully. Then now capacitors are connected in parallel. Then find voltage across them. Two capacitors are connected in series. This is 90 voltage source and here it is 20 farads. Here it is 40 farads and fully charged. If these two capacitors are fully charged, what is the voltage across these two capacitors? Let it be V1 and let it be V2. So what is V1? By voltage division rule, in case of capacitors, opposite capacitance by total capacitance into total voltage, you will get this is 60 volts. What is V2 now? Opposite capacitance 20 by 20 plus 40 into 90, this is 30 volts. Now capacitors are connected parallel. What is the voltage across these two capacitors? So what is total voltage? If you observe here, this is 20 farad and this is 40 farad. What is the charge flowing through this capacitor? We know that Q is equal to CV. So here Q1 and it is C1 V1. So what is C1? C1 is 20. From this, what is V1? 60. You will get 1200 coulombs. Similarly, charge flowing through this capacitor Q2. Q2 is C2 V2. So what is C2? 40. This is 30 volts is equal to 1200 coulombs. Now what is the total charge? QT. Total charge QT is equal to, by KCL, Q1 plus Q2. You will get this is 1200 plus 1200, 2400 coulombs. What is voltage? V is equal to Qt by Ct. Two capacitors are connected in parallel. What is C equivalent? C equivalent or C total is equal to summation of two capacitors. 20 plus 40. You will get 60 farads. So here 2400 by 60. You will get 80 volts. So this is 40 volts. You will get 40 volts. Next question is the VI characteristics of circuit of figure A is shown in figure B. If 20 ohm resistor is connected across AB, then find voltage and current of 20 ohm resistor. The characteristics of this figure is here. If you observe this, on the x-axis given as voltage and y-axis given as current. So on the x-axis current is 0 because here current is 0, and on the y-axis voltage is 0. If you observe here, the current is 0. If current is 0, what is the voltage? Minus 20 volts. Current is 0 means open circuit. If it is open circuit, it is minus 20 volts. Here, if it is open circuit, it is minus 20 volts. That means this is VAB. So what is VS now? VAB is equal to minus 20 volts. When? If current is 0 means open circuit. So if it is open circuit, what is VS? VS is equal to VAB is equal to minus 20 volts. Now here voltage is 0. Voltage is 0 means short circuit. If these two terminals are short circuit, then voltage is 0. If voltage is 0, what is the current? Current IAB is minus 4 amps. Okay. From this, what is RS? RS is equal to VS by IS. So what is VS? Minus 20. What is IS? Minus 4. This is 5 ohms. So you got RS is equal to 5 ohms. Now across the AB, 20 ohm resistor is connected, and they are asking current flowing through this 20 ohm resistor and voltage across this 20 ohm resistor. Let it be IX and it is VX. Now what is VX or IX? By Ohm's law, IX is equal to V by R. These two resistors are connected in series. So this is minus 20 by 5 plus 20. Minus 20 by 25 minus 0.8 amps. So it is current flowing through the 20 ohm resistor. Now what is Vx? Vx is equal to Ix into 20. So minus 0.8 into 20 is equal to minus 16 volts. This is V20 ohms. Okay, with this basics are completed. That is, first module is completed. In the next video we will start module number 2, that is theorems. Okay, thank you for watching.